Hey everybody, so let's get on to math for today. You should be clicking this. It says 2020 semester 2 Rodriguez math. And then you should see this. I think it's outer space or something. It's pretty, very pretty. And then scroll down. My computer is lagging a little bit again today. Here we go. It should say day 4 right here, April 16th. And then our opening is for you to watch this video, and you guys need to be reviewing your mini lesson from yesterday. And then you guys are going to do 2 practice problems at home, and then you guys are going to do a 3-question quiz. So let's look at the work period real quick. Let's go over here. Scroll down to April 15th and look at this mini lesson. Watch this video. I think it's extremely helpful, okay? And then for your mini lesson, this is what you saw. So you are given these numbers. You have to put these numbers from the smallest number to the largest number, okay? This is your number line. 0 is right here, okay? Your small numbers are going this way. Your big numbers are going this direction, okay? So the biggest number is 5. The smallest number is -4. So the way that you guys are going to put that in order is you take your numbers, you put them on the number line. So you take -4, put a red dot or an X or something. Then the next one you had was -3, put it right there. 0, put it right here. 5, -2, 3. Okay. Now, in order to order them from smallest to largest, you look at the left-hand side. The smallest number is always towards the left. So the smallest number is -4, then -3, -2, 0, 3, and 5. Oop, 5. So you see how we order those, okay? That's how you guys are going to do your work for today. So I'm going to scroll back up. This is what I want you guys to work on at home. Draw some number lines, and then here's your answers to help you. And you're just ordering them from the smallest number to the largest number, okay? Once you've done that and you feel comfortable, click up here, Activities, Quizzes. And the quiz we're doing today is the 16th, so ordering integers review. So you'll click this right here, and then you'll go and you'll take your quiz. And then if you guys don't do very well on it, you can always retake it. Remember that. Yeah, so good luck.